Welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video, we will show you our top picks of products that can keep you safe whenever you hit the woods. Although there are hundreds of these products on the market, we have taken the time to check them and provide the best in this category. You do not need to spend time surfing the internet looking for reviews about these products. We've compiled this list of the best products you can buy right now. Thousands of reviews based on the product were considered, as well as the specifications, pros, and cons of each product. If you're interested in buying any of the products, check out the links in the description. Let's see them.
Today at CRKT, we are taking a look at the Williams Tactical Pen. This is a James Williams design specifically to fly under the radar and be used as a self-defense tool. First and foremost, this is a pen, so you can see it does write very well. It's got a Fisher Space Pen insert. Basically, to use it, you just grip it in your hand and use it as a trauma instrument to get away. That's what it's designed to do. And it's designed specifically to be non-aggressive. It looks like a stellar executive pen. It writes well. It fits nice in the hand. You can see it right there. The cap doesn't have to be screwed on. It snaps right on with an O-ring. And it does have a pocket clip. You can see it in my shirt pocket here, as well as in my pants pocket, just to give you an idea of how it rides. It is 1.2 ounces and it's made from 6061 aluminum. That's aircraft grade aluminum, so it's going to be nice and strong. One last thing I wanted to mention about that pocket clip there is it is removable. If you don't want to roll with it, you can untwist that and remove that pocket clip. There you have it. Again, this is a James Williams designed tactical pen, and it is great for everyday carry. Thanks for watching, and thanks for carrying CRKT.
This is the Schrade SCPENBK Tactical Pen, one of several models in the Schrade Tactical Pen series. Stylish and well made, the SCPENBK Tactical Pen, crafted from CNC machine 6061 T6 black aluminum, provides you with both a solid writing instrument as well as an effective self-defense tool for emergency situations when use of a knife or a handgun isn't possible. To use, unscrew the cap of the tactical pen to reveal the Schmidt P900M Parker-style cartridge's ball point. The pen's threading provides grip for your fingers while writing. This well-balanced pen rests comfortably in your hand, and the black ink cartridge flows freely, even under a range of variable temperature conditions. The aircraft quality hardened aluminum shell has a strike point that transforms the pen into an instrument capable of causing significant impact damage in self-defense applications. The flat pen top provides your thumb a solid platform for downforce leverage. A sturdy pocket clip bearing the Schrade logo secures the SCPENBK to your shirt or pants pocket, or clips the pen to your pack or gear. At a length of 5.7 inches and weight of 1.4 ounces, the SCPENBK is a tough, handsome, dependable pen capable of standing up to challenging environments. Well designed, crafted from premium materials, and built for a lifetime. This is the Schrade SCPENBK Tactical Pen.
This is the Impromptu Tactical Pen from Gerber. Don't let anyone tell you the pen is mightier than the sword, unless it's this one. Machined from steel and Cerakote, coated for corrosion resistance, it features a tempered steel glass breaker in its tip for emergency situations. The included all-weather right-in-the-rain ink cartridge effectively works in wet or dry conditions. Proudly made in the USA. There's no such thing as writer's block with the Impromptu Tactical Pen.
You can leave your comments, like, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. Thanks for watching.